Open. Open na, open. Open. Dali. Dirty. Yan. Dito. Makoko diaper. Martha's diaper. Okay. Yan. That's 46 pieces, 582 pesos. Discounted price. For 582 is, ito na yung dalawa plus shipping fee. Discounted kasi siya, kaya nakuha ko ng ganyan presyo. Usually to 600 plus 690. Ayan.